Well, I've been here at Holmes like all my life, ever since kindergarten, and it's a really good school. Every year it gets better for me.
I understand that Holmes is probably one of the first schools in Detroit, but maybe even in Michigan, to do a blended learning model at the elementary, middle school level. A lot of online learning and things like that definitely being explored at high school. So we partnered with Matchbook Learning as a part of our SIG grant, School Improvement Grant, and we implemented blended learning last year. Blended learning is just kind of, in a basic sense, is how you use online curriculum coupled with your traditional curriculum. It's how you use your face-to-face instructor, and again, an online curriculum to really maximize the learning process in the classroom. So it's just blending the traditional with what's happening online. Would you say?
Exactly.
Would you say?
It's a heavy use of technology in the blended learning process. The first year we used a hybrid blended learning model where we had a virtual teacher as well as a teacher in the classroom, traditional teacher in the classroom. This year it's pretty much our content provider, Compass Learning, is providing a lot of content for students in ELA, math, science, and social studies.
So this year, with the funding, we decided to expand the blended learning model to K-8 and to use online programs, to use the data from them, because that's a big aspect of what we're doing, is having that real-time, right now data. I don't have to wait for it. Once my kids hit submit, I know exactly where they are and how I need to instruct them. So that's why we start with the pre-test for each standard, and then we group according. So it makes our groups flexible, which is good. So you know how sometimes traditionally when you group, the bottom students are the bottom students all year long, when really, depending on what you're working on, students have different skills. So I like it because it gives the students an opportunity to say, oh wow, when we did polynomials, as they talked about earlier, you know, I actually got a little bit of that, so I'm in a different group, but I don't quite understand the algebraic, you know, expression, so I gotta be in a different group, and I like the idea of flexible grouping.
And when we get on the computer, we work at our own paces. Like, if some people don't get things, they have their own assignments to do, and they can just go through it, and they don't have pressure. Well, especially in math, because I naturally have a hard time in math. I didn't quite get it at first, but online I had different assignments and I could like go through it, and if I needed to go over my work, I could like go back through the assignments that I was doing.
And our students need to know how to navigate technology. That's what's going to happen when they leave from here. When they go into high school, whether they go to college, in the work world, they're going to have to do all of these things.
I like to take my nap on home pretty much because I can also do my assignments that I didn't do in class at home and finish up on those. Like in English, I can go through and revise my stuff without having to rewrite a whole paper over again.
I think my commitment to the students here at A.O. Holmes is to show them that they are appreciated, that they are cared for, that, and genuinely, you know, we show that. I mean, there is nothing for staff members to come out of pocket, if you will, if need be. I am a stickler for providing opportunities to our students that are extracurricular, that are, I say that they bridge the opportunity gap. My message to staff is just show them what the possibilities are. Don't tell them about. Don't tell our students about. Show them, because when they can see it, then they can truly be it. And so I just believe in that wholeheartedly. I have a very caring team that goes over and beyond